Autism! Man, that kid stole my backpack. I died to a landmine. He tried to steal my stuff. You know the crazy thing?
Yeah?
It ain't had nothing in it. So after he saw that and I made fun of him for it, he decided to sell the backpack.
How much did he make?
I think it was like 12 or like 17. 17 or 12.
I wonder how much. Wait.
I said I'd rather be famous instead.
Wait, bro, let's go down the sewers. Let's go down the
She a
sewers.
devil. She a rebel.
Wait, dude, I heard that they have mining stuff there. Buy crowbars. Bro, buy a crowbar! They have mining stuff down there. They have green crystals.
I thought you had your crowbar when I left.
I sold it.
There, now I'm broke.
But we're gonna be rich when we come back.
Oh yeah, boy!
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
Where is he? Okay. Where is he?
You can't get me. You can't get me.
Come here.
Dink. Oh. Get juked. Oh, ankles, you got juked so bad.
Look at you, idiot! You're flying.
Wait.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Green? Oh, they have a group on
What's that? Yo!
Hold on, wait! Don't hog the wall.
I got a crystal!
My headset's about to die. My headset's about to die. I need to make this quick.
Alright, bro, you said that you had an battery!
I did, but the thing... For some reason, my headset keeps turning on when I touch it just a little bit. So, like, if I get off it and let it sit, it'll for some reason turn back on. And, like, I run out of battery.
It drops
like,
random weapons! It drops random items!
Yeah, look at them. They have goop on them. They have a hard goop on them with items in it.
Come on, we need to make this quick.
You need to come on. There's pink crystals over there. Pogo stick. Yay.
I have 800! I have 800! I'm rich!
Finally.
900! Kill you for fun.
Okay, bro. The task is killing that mother clucker. Cha! Get out my face! Charge!
I got 4 crystals.
Yay. I got a flash thing.
That's all?
I mean, it's kind of good.
It's not worth it.
Hey, bro, these are mine. Back up.
Okay, well then if that's yours, this is mine.
Bro, I'm at 2%.
I have $1,000.
For the first time in 2,500 years, he has over $1,000. Guys, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you.
We went the wrong way. It respawned. Bro, we can just grind here. Your headset's gonna die right about now.